Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to activate or deactivate the beeping sound on your Armitron Pro Sport digital watch, as you can see with the chrono alarm function. Here on the left corner you can see that we have a small bell that indicates that the beeping sound is now activated. So as you will be able to see, once we arrive at 3 o'clock it is going to beep. So let's check that out. Now, in case you want to deactivate this option, what you want to do is to press the mode button and you are going to arrive at the alarm. Here we are going to press the start stop button, and as you can see now we also have the alarm activated. If I press it once again, now both the beeping sound and the alarm are now deactivated. So I'm going to press it once again. Here we have the alarm activated, now we have the beeping sound activated, now we have both of them activated, and now both are deactivated. Now I'm going to press the mode button. Here we have the stopwatch, the T2, and now we have arrived at the home screen, so T1. And that is how you deactivate the beeping sound on your Armitron Pro Sport digital watch, guys. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this exact model, I'm going to leave a guide in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. You are going to learn how to set the time and date, how to use T1 and T2, how to set the alarm, how to also use the chrono function. So make sure to check it out, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to also leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to see next in the future videos. And if you would like to purchase a vintage watch, head out to vintageradar.com. Link in the description box below. We have thousands of vintage watches for sale. I'm going to see you guys on the next video, so make sure to be subscribed.